360-degree ceiling fan. So this is the 360-degree rotation by using the DC motor. 12 volt 90 watts 60 rpm DC motor. Spur gear mechanism 1:2. Bearing 602 ball bearing. Shaft 15 mm diameter shaft. So this is the fan. Here you have to connect the leaves. So that time it will be working. This is the top roof bolt. So you got to fit in the top roof. Then this is a control unit for DC motor control unit. 12 volt to 230 volt to 12 volt control unit. The fan is connected to 230 volt. The DC motor is connected by the power supply unit. So this is the 360-degree ceiling fan. We are having the square pipe, all are 1 inch all are square pipe. So this is the fan arrangement. This is DC motor. So this is the concept of 360-degree ceiling fan mechanism.